Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Evaluate the limit of 3 raised to 2x minus 2 raised to 3x all over x as x approaches 0. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now let's answer this question together. Now seeing this kind of limit, we have an exponential in the numerator and a linear term on the denominator. This reminds me of the identity that says that if the limit of a raised to x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0, wherein this a is a constant, it is equivalent to just ln of a. Now the question is, what we're going to do to use this identity? Now, on this numerator, we need minus 1. So, let's subtract 1 in 3 raised to 2x, like this. Now, since we subtract 1, to make it balance, let's add 1. So, to make it 0. So, minus 1 plus 1 is just 0. Now, let's group this 3 raised to 2x minus 1. Also, these last two terms, let's factor out negative 1. So, this will give us negative of 2 raised to 3x minus 1. Now take note that if we distribute this negative sign, this will give us the original given, which is negative 2 raised to 3x plus 1. So again, let's factor out negative 1 like this. And then what we're going to do is to apply the property of similar fraction. Now at this point, let's focus on this first term. Now we have 3 raised to 2x minus 1 over x. Now notice that the exponent of 3 is 2x and our denominator is just x. So to make it 2x, let's multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. We will do the same thing on this term. So I have 2 raised to 3x minus 1 over x. The exponent must be 3x and the denominator is just x. So let's multiply this term by 3 over 3. Now 2 times the quantity 3 raised to 2x minus 1 over 2x can be written as 2 times 3 raised to 2x minus 1 over 2x, and the other term can be written as 3 times 2 raised to 3x minus 1 over 3x. Now take note that we can separate limit by subtraction. So we can rewrite this as the limit of 2 times 3 raised to 2x minus 1 over 2x as x approaches 0 minus the limit of 3 times 2 raised to 3x minus 1 over 3x as x approaches 0. Also take note that we can separate limit by multiplication. Take note that the limit of a constant is the constant itself. So we can put this constant in front of our limit. We can do the same thing on the other term. Now, take a look at this expression. So the limit of 3 raised to 2x minus 1 over 2x as x approaches 0, this is exactly the identity that we want to use. Therefore, this limit is equivalent to just ln of 3. Now, we will do the same thing in this limit. So the limit of 2 raised to 3x minus 1 over 3x as x approaches 0 is just ln of 2. Now, let's simplify. 2 times ln of 3 minus 3 times ln of 2. Now, we will use this identity. If we have n times ln of a, it is equivalent to ln of a raised to n. Therefore, 2 times ln of 3 can be written as ln of 3 raised to 2. And 3 raised to 2 is just 9. Now, 3 times ln of 2 can be written as ln of 2 raised to 3. And 2 raised to 3 is just 8. Now, we have ln of 9 minus ln of 8. Now, at this point, we will use this law of logarithm. If we have ln of a minus ln of b, it is equivalent to ln of a over b. Therefore, ln of 9 minus ln of 8 can be written as ln of 9 over 8. Therefore, the value of the limit of 3 raised to 2x minus 2 raised to 3x all over x as x approaches 0 is simply ln of 9 over 8. And as always, we are done.